Cordial greeting to turn partners. My name is Camila Arana Carvajal. Today I'm going to develop the step 1, 2, and 3 for the first activity for English conversation course. So the first one, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Camila Arana Carvajal. I am 26 years old. I live in Cali. I am an English and social study teacher, but now I'm working as a bilingual agent for a bank from USA. I live with my daughter and my dog and my boyfriend, and I live in Cali, in San Bosco. It's a neighborhood in the downtown of Cali. I like to go out to dance, do it with my friends and my family. I like read books, listen music, and spend time with my daughter. And I am happy, responsible, tolerant, and patient person. And in this moment, I am ending my career in UNAT University. I hope to be graduated in the middle of the next year. So, as if step one, where I should answer some questions. So, the first one, what is the purpose of the course? So, the purpose of the course is reports or work in the students. So, the linguistic, sociolinguistic, and pragmatic skills and competence too. And the idea is develop these skills in the students using or taking different real-time interactions and activities in that time. So the second question is how many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? So there are exactly four learning outcome that we are going to find in the syllabus. What are synchronic interaction activities? So there are some activities when we are going to talk or share and in real time with people using different internet waves like Zoom, like Hangouts, like Teams, and whatever. How many activities does the course have? So there are exactly 6 activities that we are going to develop, and this is the first one. And which activities in the course imply real-time interactions? Just 4, task 2, task 3, task 4, and task 6, because the other is an individual and we have to work and alone. What are the conditions and rules of the course? For me, there are different rules and conditions. So in the course, we are going to have to be attentive to our internet connection. We have to check the agenda of the course and the weekly encounters, be punctual in that, and use the institutional email and plan for developing activities. And my email, institutional email, is working. So it is CARANC UNEDVIRTUAL .edu.co, and that's my institutional email. So like the step 2, my answer are the next. So at the beginning of my career, I did Septotech English and getting A2 English level. So recently I have been practicing my English skills in Cambridge, getting English level B2 in the simulator Septop test. And for that reason, I consider I have a B2 English level. I consider I get this level, so practicing every time, because I try to listen a lot music in English, read a lot books in English, the series like when I have time and I can see. So I saw that series in English, and I have been trying to work in environments or jobs where I have to use the English language, and so that's are different ways like help me to improve my English skill. So especially listening and speaking because I feel so nervous when I have to talk in English. But working in that, I have been feeling better. Um, why are studying English as a foreign language? So the first reason is because I like English language, and so for me it's so amazing when people can talk in another language, different of her mother language. And also because I consider through language we can learn more about different cultures, expanding our minds and concepts. How is studying language as an adult different from studying it as a child? So the first one, or personality, I think that if you study English as an adult, you are going to learn in another language. You are not going to be a bilingual person. And you are going to teach like no, excuse me, you are going to learn that language for a specific purpose because you need it for do something, but you are not going to try to spend your mind and to include that language in your daily activities because are not necessary for you. So for that reason, that's the difference. And obviously the methodologies and strategies and activities that we develop inside a classroom with adult people is so different with child people. Um, but if you study English as a child, you are going to be a bilingual person because you are going to develop in your mind two language or three or the language that you want, and you are going to use it every day in your life, and it will be so easy for you express your ideas in Spanish, English, Italian, Portuguese, French, and Chinese, and whatever. How long should you study a foreign language? So for me, I think that is a practice which we should study every day during all our life because we need that is something that we have to practice often, like always in our life, for using always and never forget it. Because see, if you don't practice something, you are going to forget maybe you can could remember, yes, but in any moment it's not going to be easy like at the beginning or when you were learning. How can you make a language learning a part of your life in the future? So in my future, I hope be an excellent university teacher, English teacher in the university and public school. And I consider so in that way I'm going to use English every day in my life, and it will be part of my life and my future at every moment. So how can we organize lifelong language learning? So I consider we can develop several activities or strategies as a go to English encounters, having an English environment for job and in our home too, and teaching English and practicing with things like a music, like a books, like a series, like movies, and whatever. Bye.